Honorable Member P. Sarachandra Singona, demand about tender observation Thambigani.
Honorable Speaker, Aina Thamjaningba observation si Maru Aina Ngasi demand number 10 gi budget reflectory ba aduga Manipur government ki education department na education gi phagatna nabagi initiative loriba aduga challenges mayam ama thengnariba and at the same time reform gi perspective ta reflection khara tawjage kudmathoi suba century see the age of intelligence sena defined tawi lausing singba gyan taba adu mamioi singi jukni hedna thamnabasida matang asidani human resource development ki education haina koina toina hainari basigi primacy amasung magi importance amala ibase aduna human resource si capital oina transform to base so transforming human resources into human capital maduna laibakta multiplier effect por aga kayamuk yamna chaukhathan ba masung atop laibak singi chaukhatla laibak singai khoiga lamjel tanabada ai saruk yabang anggadage haiba wafam duni ado India si yamna advantages of a situation ambadanga si lei maramdi ai gi India gi population total population leiri bisigi yamdrabada 556 million asi ai yamna youthful oiba naha oiba masung secondary level da higher secondary level da lerik tamba angang singi age one toy. And at the same time, we are also concerned about mainstreaming 120 million boys and girls in the age group of 14 to 18. Say tara maridagna tara nipan fawbada leiba adugumba 120 million children gi makoi gi out of school the leiba gi challenge ma soi koi thengna da badi natte. Adu ai koi gi di India gi di naha gi population si yamna yam basina maram oirakanda demographic dividend of youthful population hedra ai koi gi focus torkanda angang singa si the education si yamna tangai fadaba amasung yamna competitive oiba creative oiba manaharol gi generation amakak semba tara abordi kemu yamna kannagadege haibase because our competitors like Europe to leiriba Japan China si yamna chaukhatle haragasu makoi se they are aging country aging population aduna yamna ahan gi masing yamna yambasina oiradana makoida yamhenna tungi prospect watpa amasung makoidagi yamna asa tawningai leite hebse so therefore this particular age of intelligence 21st century perhaps belongs to India aduga matang asida Manipur gi government na yamna phajaba ki interventions tongan ba program mayam amakak paikhatlaga education gi reform initiative kayam lori Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsa Rusa midday meal nutritional support to education services aduga vocational education distance education technical education teacher training legal education it's basically a concept of collaborative approach bulak punsilakanda central government jauba state government jauba and at the same time private sector na chouba diet taloba aduga mamakhalgi education system ni Manipur da ekoina sustain tawna bohandri besi ekoina hojikki ngasi gi statistics te yengba matamda current statistics ki matungina government amasung government aided school central school yauna Manipur da higher secondary fawbi gi thakda aikoi school si chamanga ga kunmari muklei haina asumna estimate tawi aduga maduda enroll to ba satra gi masing si charangna 42000 ni aduga oja gi masing na lising mari ga chamri kuntrama thoi muklei hedna asumna estimate tawi whereas private schools ki role dunia in emphasize to janing imbese government school changa ga kunmari up to higher secondary level leibada Manipur da private school leiribase up to the same level that is higher secondary level the lersi chatruk ka yankhai tarukni aduga student ki population enroll to base lakh ami heli Manipur gi government ki school changa kunmari da lising ni puni thoi leibada private school da 1 lakh henna enroll to aduga ozagi masing su lising mari changwa henna lei aina thamjaning madi speaker sir aikoi private sector gi initiative se aikoi masida incentivize tore rakanda akoi bu mateng pangbira kanda education sida makoi se khoi gi partner oiba masigi tangai fadabale and sensing that aikoi handak ta mamangi session da aikoi private ki school sing sigi pajana standardized to be yanaba the desired kind of education madugi the pibang amna bayadana education department initiative lor kanda regulation gi mechanism ga thamki base we are perhaps in the right perspective the right direction de khoi chale challenges ki matang si lakpa matam dadi aina khanjabasi we are talking about right to education angang khudingmak larik haigadabani over a period of time they khoi 100% literacy se achieve to godabani haibani samna harakanda because since education is my right aduna khoi nang masida thengnari ba challenge se universalization sini ajoba challenge am kakle aduna khoi ki children si manipur gumba situation dadi children living in the unserved habitation series school leiba adaba yum manga kakta leiba yum kun kakta leiba tranga kakta leiba and they are 2 miles and miles apart leinaba chingilam sing the leiba school sing the viability of establishing schools masigi wafam se lakpa kandani ai khoina hajik sumba unserviced habitation sing sida karam makhal gi intervention tor kandai koi is it going to be a distance mode to tawdra virtual environment create tore kanda oja physically chattana school physically chattana availability of the resources at the local area do tap tore kandai koi it could be human and physical si tor kandai koi chalai be abra hai base masi Manipur government education department is certainly masi yengi and again we also have out of school children we are talking about high enrollment access to education and at the same time we are concerned about low retention ming chalamakanda school kadaba college kadaba gi masing se masi adukimati wangnale so asigi out of school children si makoi gi difficulties makoi gi problem se address to batangai fade and another challenge is that of quality masai mayam nasu neni bikhiba quality gi matang silak pakandadi may I interpret like this it's about relevance of education to the society aikoi gi ngasi gi century da aikoi gi ngasi gi samaj sida aikoi na piriba makhal gi education se relevant oirabra masina kana ba piba ngamabra haibuduni quality haiba port silakpan and at the same time angang singi perspective te yengagana learning output makoina tammibado madugi output se the desired output result to aikoi ne phangan bangamabra haiba masigo wafam sine khoi gi approach da speaker sir question is perhaps school has not changed over the last 70 years school system the change to duba male haveni change to the heaven but the desired path to aikoi na pamiba makal gi rapid growth and change to aikoi madu aikoi phangduba manbagi wani madugi banking education haiba masigi phrase yam fazana season it's a universal phrase in the context of education it's question of dumping facts aikoi no worry is hanjin same story about history geography tongan ba phek mayam se no rabangang dugi makok adu da nuti gi pumpin toba aduga madugi factsing duna aikoi bombard tor matung da it's like a dancing bear in the circus aikoi na khali aikoi circus jagoi sari ba saw macha se hai greda haidna aikoi na di master duna mana control tor kana dance story boning no not at all the small kano do koi beer do pisak ping edigi phar kanda khang mathak ta thau hejil kana mai thar kanda drangi beating dugi rhythm du da ma si dance to holapani because it was very painful for the small beast sadu gi di yam no wab experiment makakni experience makakni adubo ngasai gi master du ki bedigi mana mai sadna chong bedu da master du gi beating the drum du gi rhythm mani the synchronized to re kanda dancing their beer on thora kana koi myam ne circus ta kumai yengi are we producing robots adunia je hangai report se we do not require robots to be produced through the school system madugi report toy khoi khan bagi yamna tangai fadabalai and perhaps we are ignoring the different capacities desires and needs of the children ai goina kariguma mind mapping torumba tarabor di yamna lair khraba imung amadagi mama mapa duna pajana sembiraktraba angang dugi darkar magi capacity and again this differently able child disabled children harasi makogi requirement and again I would like to become a doctor I would another person would like to become a politician, social worker, social scientist. Tongan ba needs leba angang sing sida same school environment, same rows of benches and desks, and the teacher is pumping in all the facts without asking what is their requirement and capacity. Masigi wafam sini hojik aikoi gi education gi achoba challenge ma loi base. Aduna ngasidi aikoi creativity angang gi mana karigumba wakal ma khanang mage. We do not want a child today to answer questions. We want a child to question the questioner. Wajana questions hangba matamda masine chummi amasung lali itihas ta si hai haibagi mohta madugi question do in reason to madugi do asikari hairi no ai hangbagi questions. Because replying in the form of a question, masigi portioning asai creativity, individuality, a individual person amo in the society sida ki contribution karitani. What is my place in this society? And the leadership quality. Asumba maya masi promote to makalgi school system chuni. So that education system has not been happening. Maskogi potuni. Aduna aikoi Germany the best toba adugumba organization amakakna aikoi asumba program for international student assessment and PISA haina tensila kan khangba aduma makalgi assessment tama 2010 da bangthok kiwa matamda smart kids test score na yamna heisinga angang sing sigi marakta lamba tongnara kanda score se kadai phobda kana na phajana chatli lebak sing se na yengba matamda Finland, Korea, Japan, Canada, Netherlands smai todna in order of the priorities makogi se phangi makogi assessment thengba matamda. And again students sing se problem solving capacity se kari no habisi so muk test we and average performance, and it was done sometime in 2015 maruda tokiba matamda lakpasida madugi rating da kwaidagi hena perform to ba angang sing problem solving capacity se skill se kadai de lebo Singapore dagi lakpa, Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, Canada sman to in this order ikon thengni aikoi intelligence is the koi later bani nanga sidit koi agenda am tangai fadana pursue to butai madugi agenda do di it's a question of, or it is an agenda for conversion of classroom into thinking room. Wakal khanbagi room on thokpa simply wajana haiba do madu khak tambana taba. The focus will be on skills. 4th century gi madungale ba 4 C's ai makhona C mari creativity, innovation lay batay angang do ma writing skill lay bin singba as example in episode sir critical thinking, inquiry, analysis, problem solving, and communication. Listen to batay good listener batay negotiation to bahay bangang oi batay and collaboration, teamwork, and excellent member mo from to a and at the same time brainstorming to badama so participate to badu bangang oi bi. Answering we have to move from answering to questioning. The honorable speaker sir Albert Einstein honorable speaker sir, education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. Facts do wari tabadu nati education di aigi mind se masi train torkanda matanda wakal khalan baduni education di have say Einstein gumani pasin harme. So therefore honorable speaker sir, let us walk the talk. Ekona ngangari ba khalli ba mayam se ekona sidi thabak koina on thok pa changi. Is it about 360 appraisal and reform? Adugi initiative se koi khanbagi matam jore. It's time to revisit pedagogy. The teacher is supposed to provide the students the joy of learning. School environment sida yamna tempting or by attraction jawba nungai ba aduma makalgi environment ma create to basda ko pedagogy change toruga. The teacher's role has to be changed. Paradigm shift mai koi masi tangai phadaba malla e aduna matang sila ko matumda. Shall we say that benchmarking to sira? Is it Silicon Valley, Shanghai in China, or is it Finland? Is it Japan? Aduma makalgi benchmarking torkan madu phangnana bachat pagi koi program paikhat from thok private. The whole idea is about education in future tense. What children would like or would need in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years. Madu the important to worry. And history alone, geography alone may not be sufficient. In order to catch up with those people who have already gone ahead 500 years ahead of us, let us start thinking about education in the future tense, not present today. Aduna aikoi matang asida ina emphasize to ningi badi in case aikoina madugumba singsi attention pihodraba reform initiatives si lodraba education si relevant to hendraba in the intelligence age ga darkar leba port se aikoina create to hodrabo di aikoi perhaps we should be experiencing future shock. There is a book called Future Shock. Clash of Civilizations. Today we say that 21st of February 2018 here in this hall, Manipur, asiga Japan da Tokyo da leba, Silicon Valley da leba, London da leba, madugi nimitse same date ni same day ni na kuina feel to but in the context of education, in the context of civilization, in the context of development, they have gone ahead 500 years, 200 years, 250 years. Are we saying that we belong to the same age and this is the same day, same date? Future shock, I would say, in case we were not planning for the next 20 years, 25 years, future shock and out of place, like a fish out of water. So this clash of civilizations, same data, same shahida, aikoigi tongan bal praja sing miyoi sing leiriba community mayam sigi marakta laiba gap ase masi minimize to base tangai fadabani honorable speaker sa. Demand number 10, education today in our hand as integrated approach ka yamna fazana reflect to wing asigi demand asida. Vertical integration, masida fazana suggest to primary school to university level, and horizontal, but the convergence of services, fazana reflect to it's a basic question of creating synergy of collaborations. Pulap punselakanda private oisanu, central government oisanu, state government oisanu, pudamaksi punselakanda, even for that matter, social welfare department, child nutrition ki kari support piriba. So mayam se punselakanda synergy do generate to nabagi Madugi mami dong asigi education ki budget asida fazana tai. Melinda Gates was interviewed very recently, 10 days back. Bill Gates ki maginupi mana emphasized to say human development have said to the collaboration is very critical mana kangi magi Bihar ki experience, Indian experience ta marudai koi myam sit tongan na chat pe aroi ai koi gi angang sing sit talent le potential le, but what is important is ai koi masibu groom toba promote toba haibesini and aikoina talent lay amasuma koi the capacity lay harisige example pizige the Manipur diaspora all over the world. Our children are now in Australia, they are in Silicon Valley, they are in Europe, they are everywhere, and this indicates the talent, the potential of our children. Adugo what is important is ekoi madugi damak talambi sembatai, that is where ekoi education say human development si tomatam sida education in the future and said in honorable speakers are aina haijavasi aduna ekoi we are working on we are doing some research on education in Manipur ekoi private initiative ni we have mentioned about it to the principal secretary education. We will be taking time and presenting the paper to the chief minister as well as the education minister very soon for a brainstorming session on education reform in Manipur, challenges, prospects, education in future tense. Madigi wapam silak matam da ikoi na madada suggest story basi two things to cut long story short. Education society under the chief minister and education minister, it will be a very tiny and small body. Maruda ikoi yahon ningi basi ikoi na educationists, philanthropists, agriculturists, community leaders, social scientists, academics from the universities yauba adugumba apex level ge chief minister na mako koiba masung education minister na madugi mateng adu pibire rakanda ko aduma makhal ge education society me set up torakanda trying to address the challenges and the prospects masigi siyang haninge. And just below that there needs to be an advisory body madudi yamna policy expert ngaktana yauba adum expert sing aduna togudaba aduma makhal ge advisory body masoi koi madu sem base koi suggest to janinge. And that is all about this. And ngasi ekoi yamna wholesome oiba yamna fajaba relevant oiba masung initiative and challenges to balance torokana puthok pasuma demand number 10 asigi budget ase masi ekoi house the thambasida. I congratulate the education minister. Thank you very much, honorable speaker sir.
Next